Network Entertainment.
Hello!
Hello!
We have a first-time guest.
Yes, first time sa Bago Matulog.
Oo. Yun lang.
Bye everybody.
Well, thank you.
Okay, bye. Thanks for
We have
having
Margie here. Margie De Leon.
Hello.
She is roast battle champion, stand-up comedian. Tingnan mo pare, talagang naramdaman ko sa previous episode natin with Isa.
Yes.
Naramdaman ko yung
Girl power.
yung 4% natin tumaas eh. Feeling
Yes.
ko nasa 41%
Yes.
female viewers na tayo ngayon.
Kasi 4% lang yung mga girls na
nanonood sa atin. So feeling ko after the Marge episode, baka nga ilagay na tayo sa women category.
Oh, dude, naka-stream na to sa Gabriela, pare.
Sa Gabriela series of podcasts, Chicks to Go.
Chicks to Go.
Tangina, watch out, pare. We coming for the belt. Okay. So Marge, welcome. First time.
Yes, thank you for having me.
Yeah. Do you feel nervous here, or are you a listener?
Oh, of course.
You don't have to. You don't have to bullshit.
No,
Okay lang.
I like watching Andren get humiliated.
So,
ito yung best
yun yung actually
outlet.
totoong genre ng podcast. Na to.
Totoo, totoo yan. I really agree. So, yun, it's very enjoyable.
It's that. Yes. Yan ang totoong fan, pare.
Yeah.
Hindi yung mga, gawin mo ang official co-host si Andrew, lagay mo nga sa logo. Nah, fuck that, pare.
Yeah.
Boot na lang, dapat pala matagal na natin Guinness si Marge.
That's the one thing people enjoy kung nag-aaway tayo. Yung one of the things that parang sets us apart though.
Na?
Sa other podcasts.
Na nag-aaway tayo?
Oh, like yung sa Cool
Ba't magulang nila hindi nag-aaway?
Hindi, in a funny way.
Okay.
Na hindi awkward, that hindi nakaka-trauma.
Di ba may isang podcast na ng gaya sa format namin. Tapos napikon yung isa.
Seryoso?
Nag-aaway sila.
So, yeah, alam mo yan yung you're making fun of, parang inaasar mo yung guy, pero wala nang love. Like, it's not coming from a good place anymore. Like, yung tipo nag-aasaran lang kayo kasi you really hate each other.
You want them to hurt.
Yes.
Hindi siya jovial
Yeah.
or anything. So yes, dahil dun, when we talked about helping last episode,
Last episode?
sorry, napa Sean Connery.
Oh, the last episode.
Now we're gonna talk about,
We are the auto sluts.
oh my God, now we're gonna talk about,
Hating
finish
each
my
other.
sentence.
Hurting and hating.
Hating and hurting.
Hating and hurting.
hurting.
And opportune time kasi we have the roast battle champion here.
Yes.
Do you have the belt? Do you carry the belt with you?
She doesn't, pare.
No,
I always tell her.
I brought it to Lasal, di ba?
Everywhere. Like John Cena, kasi in wrestling.
Kasi nag-aangkas ako eh. Ano
When you're the heavyweight champ,
Oo nga naman. I don't
Kailangan
think nag-aangka si John Cena, pare. So they probably
I
don't
would
do.
if I could.
Yeah.
I would if I could.
Yeah. But is it with you or press release lang na nasa?
Nasa bahay ko. As in, literally, so I live in a tiny studio apartment and it's literally in just one corner lang.
Tipong pwede ka magsabit ng something functional. Like an air fryer or like a dehumidifier or something. Pero nope. May kailangan ko ilagay yung belt dun.
Yep.
Which is a real thing sa wrestling. Is that, by the way, pag sinasabihan ka ng mga wrestling shit ni Andon, he doesn't know shit. Wala siyang alam.
shut up. Nanood na nga siya ng WWE Unreal.
Unreal.
Okay. Pero yung mga championship belts na yan, pinapauwi talaga sa mga wrestlers. And sometimes they lose it. Yun yung nakakatawa. So, yan. May mga funny times na naalala ko parang pumunta sa isang show si Kenny Omega. Tapos, he was the champion back then. Bagong champion na
The
siya.
best bout machine?
The
pare?
best bout machine.
The best bout machine, Margie.
Tapos, pumasok siya. Do you partake in the best bout machine?
Help me.
Wala pala. So, champion siya, di ba?
Yeah.
Tapos, ginawa niya yung entrance niya and everything. Yung ganun, di ba? Bumaril siya sa ganyan. The pyros and shit like that. Tapos, pagdating niya sa ring, bilang, di ba Japanese show yun? Bilang niyang kinakausap yung cameraman. I forgot the belt. I'm gonna be in trouble. Ganun. So, yeah, those are things na ano. Okay, we're gonna talk about hurting each other.
God damn, bro.
Oo nga.
Why did this get
Ganda nito.
heavy?
Oo nga. Ganda na
Yeah.
episode. Right after this very unnecessary OBB.
Yeah.
All right. And we're back.
Nako.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng break na yun.
Yes.
We did a lot of sound shit.
Oo.
Ayan. So, hurting. Have you guys hurt people?
I think so.
Do you
oo.
enjoy it?
No.
Have you enjoyed genuinely hurting people? Meron bang ganun?
Okay, here. I'll start.
Sige, go.
I like hurting Anjen.
Wow. Okay, great.
Yeah. I think kasi like sobrang rare na magkababae sa stand-up, diba? And it makes him so uncomfortable
Oh, yeah.
when I talk about like girl things
Yes.
around him. Like you can see him just like
Nagki-cringe?
Clamp
Like
up.
what kind of, like, baka naman sobrang lalakas na sinasabi mo.
Like, for example, last week, parang may headache ako, tapos tinanong niya sa akin, ba't ang sakit ng ulo mo? Tapos sabi ko, I have my period. Tapos you could see him like, nagagano siya. Pero I don't have, that's not hurting. That's just, is it hurting?
Pero, ano siya eh, it's a shallow thing, right? Like parang, is it super deep woman, taboo, men cannot speak about it type of thing, yung periods? Hindi naman, di ba?
Yeah, not at all. But I think he's just so not used to it.
Bakit? Why, Aaron? You have to explain kung bakit.
Because fucking it's been a hot while na may mga femoids it's weird lang. It's weird. Like, here, I'll be 100% on. It's weird.
Yeah, call them that, pare.
Hindi, I'm kidding. Mga pa-babyweight champions.
You're winning them over.
No, it's just like, it's weird. Like, I'm guarded in the way na, hindi naman ako maniac, hindi naman ako fucking sobrang incel, but I need to...
That's
hindi,
what an incel would say.
Hindi, well, can you let me guys finish?
Okay, sige.
Okay.
This judge
Grabe,
fest.
can you let me finish bigla? Grabe
So ito
to.
yung point ko.
No hurt
I have
him.
to watch what I say. That's why I'm guarded. Kasi in the end,
Saan?
I might
Wait,
say something.
when do you have to watch when you say?
No, like, yung mga
Around-
simple things. Like,
Around women?
yeah, like, kunwari, like, I need to be careful. Like,
That's
baka-
sexist.
What?
Kasi binibigyan mo siya ng special treatment.
Hindi naman special treatment. I'm just aware na they might be uncomfortable kung may nasabi akong mali. Or like, it's not being sexist na, palibas at may babae dito, isi-censor ko na. It's not even that. It's
What is it?
see, I'm uncomfortable now. I don't know what to do.
Gets ka.
So it's just, I need to watch what I say.
Tama naman.
Actually, namumula na siya. Is this the lighting or
It's the
namumula
sound.
Hindi,
na
namumula
talaga?
siya. Grabe. Uminom ka ba or something?
Sabi mo pwede.
Yeah, one beer. Hindi ka
Yeah.
naman namumula in one. Hindi ka naman namumula with any beer. Ba't namumula ka? Grabe.
It's weird.
Oo nga. Na awkward ka. Because of the period talk?
Hindi naman period talk. Making up shit eh.
What?
Like,
It really happened last week.
Ano ka ba? Co-ed ba kayo when you're in high school or all boys?
co-ed.
Oh, talaga? Ba't ganun? Ba't di ka parang... Ako sobrang comfortable ko
Ito.
talking to...
We've been like, you've known me for like 8 years. 8 years. In those 8 years,
Unfortunately.
have I given off any vibe na marunong akong makipag-usap sa babae? Have I given off any vibe na master ako?
Hindi, pero at
sa
least
combos?
platonically or just like, you know...
I don't even have female friends.
To be fair.
Marge and Lisa.
Across all
Yay.
genders naman, medyo very difficult, kumbaga 7-star difficulty ka na makipag-usap sa tao.
Yeah.
So, I guess mas mahirap pag babae or
Dude,
something.
I have had, like, lahat ng friends ko lalaki. Seriously, si Marge at Isa lang yung recently lang na friend ko na babae. And we're not even friends, like, we're just face friends.
What is that?
Wow. I am hurt right now.
You know, face
Isa's right here,
Hindi
by the
tayo
way. Oo nga.
friends.
Hindi friend. Like,
I thought you were trying to be my friend to get to my boyfriend.
Oo nga.
Well, that's another story. But, so,
For context, Marge has a really badass rapper boyfriend.
yes. So, it's the thing where, what was I talking about, man?
Yung okay lang yun. Kaya mo yan.
So,
Bakit hindi mo friends si Isa at si Marge?
hindi,
Bakit face friends mo?
there's always a context why we've never hung out outside of comedy. Yon. There's always a...
We have. We watched a movie before. Midsummer.
You watched the movie? Oo nga eh.
Yeah.
Nagbo-board games tayo.
But we didn't even know each other back then.
Fair enough, yeah.
Yeah.
Grabe.
This was 2018.
Alam mo guys, hindi siya new. Si Anden sinasabi din sa akin, hindi kami daw friends. And I'm like, man, that hurts me. Alam mo yun, ganun eh. Nasaktan ako dun. Kahit binilang ko siya ng headphones
Which
recently.
took you like a month to replace, by the way.
Matagal yung shipping galing China, okay?
Matagal ako, like, ginito yung phone nasa tenga ko, nakikinig ng music. Fucking asshole.
Paano ako namatay ang aso ko dahil sa'yo? Oo, diba?
Mas kasalanan mo, you fucking watch your dog. Bakit wala siya? Ito iniwan ko yung headphones ko sa table. How's that my fault?
It's your fault.
How?
within reach siya ng aso ko na very agile, by the way.
Oh.
Yeah. Pero okay naman si Peach. Yeah. Hindi naman siya, she's happy.
Paano kung naging babae silang dalawa? Na humanoid?
Ang weird nun.
Oh.
Ang weird nung scenario na yun na parang, paano kung pwede mo silang ka-hangout tapos babae sila parehas. So parang, that's weird.
Okay. It's shit like that, no?
Kaya nga gusto ko ng aso na would be my pretend children except hindi ako nag-actual children.
Oh, yun nga yung
Yun naman
pretend.
yun.
It's filling a void.
Na,
Yung aso na yun kasi wala kang kids, bro.
thank you.
Like, alam mo yung tita ko, may dalawa siyang Pomeranian.
Kasi wala siya asawa.
Kasi wala pa siyang anak nun. Tapos nung nagkaanak na siya, pinamigay na niya yung dalawang
Di nga, grabe!
Yeah, dude, I'm not joking.
Damn!
No.
They could be siblings. Diba? Nakakita na ako sa ganun, yung mga dogs that watch over other people. Ayun, see, that's how you hurt people, pare. You give away your dogs.
Hey, I didn't fucking do it. Yung tita ko.
Sabi mo sa tita mo,
Yeah, you bitch.
suntuang kami.
Yeah.
Yun yung kailangan namin gawin. Teka, double check ko lang nag-record tayo. Okay, nag-record tayo. We're good.
We're good, but
Okay, so, Andren, in a way,
I hate you.
so in a way ba, Marge, do you deliberately do it now na ganun yung feeling ni Andren?
Andren? Sometimes, yeah. Lalo na if he talks about wrestling or something na...
See, yun yung problema eh. You guys talk about, ako, I'm a fan. I'm intense fan
Yes.
to a point na bumili ako ng wrestling rings and started
Yes.
the promotion.
Yeah.
But I don't talk about it na ini-impose ko onto others. Alam mo yun?
It's not like naman na ini-impose ko kay March. I'm talking with another fellow comedian who likes wrestling.
Yeah nga.
Tapos yung shtick nito, like, picturean ko tong dalawa nag-uusap.
Who do you talk to
Huh?
wrestling
Dex.
with? Si Dex. And
Joseph Montecillo.
tiga mo, dude, si Joseph is so intense with it din.
Oh,
kasi
yeah,
yun
yeah,
din
yeah.
eh. Oo.
Yeah.
Like,
Get
he
him
is
started.
actually a super smart mark talaga yun. Na
Exactly. Oo.
Yeah.
Pero di siya bumiling wrestling ring. So, lang sabihin.
Yes, ikaw yung the best.
I'm a better fan.
You are the
I'm
best.
the best fan.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
The best gout machine.
Okay. So, hurting people. So, we've all hurt people.
Yes.
I guess. Tama ba? I'm really trying to
Make
milk
this-
this
yeah,
tawa, pare.
make this topic.
13 minutes in, pare.
It's hard to make it funny eh.
Oo nga eh. Ngayon, na-realize ko nga para, masaya ba mag-hurt ng tao?
It's not. Pero here. I'll start.
I have mga siguro 2 examples na
Yeah.
natuwa ko na may nasakta na tao. Not directly because of me. Kind of indirectly because of me. So, ako pag nag-aeroplano ako, I'm always in the aisle dahil malaki akong tao.
Yes.
So, nasa aisle ako and medyo naka-protrude parati yung tuhod ko palabas ng aisle. Pero syempre, pag may dumadaan, tinitiklop ko. May batang tumatakbo before the flight. So, alam mo yung, di ba, Cebu Pac, minsan po nasa tarmac lang kayo ng mga 45 minutes for some fucking reason. Tapos mainit, di nakabukas yung aircon. Kasi yung mga eroplano ng Cebu Pacific, yun yung equivalent ng mga lumang school bus na L300 na kailangan patayin yung aircon pag paangat yung... Alam mo yun? Yeah. Yung patay mo na yung aircon kasi baka mamatayan tayo eh pag uphill. So, ganun yung mga Cebu Pacific airplanes. So, tumatakbo-takbo tong batang to. And I'm pretty sure marami na nairata sa kanya. Pero I guess yung magulang niya medyo pudpud na and wala naman, people don't seem to mind. So, walang ginagawa yung magulang niya. Tapos napapansin ko, papunta na siya sa, parang bubuelo siya, tatakbuhin niya yung whole aisle. Nasa may emergency aisle ako. So, napansin ko papunta siya sa akin. So, ako inisip ko, you know what? Whatever happens, hindi ko tatanggalin yung tuhod ko dito sa aisle. Tapos napahatid siya ng solid. As in talagang plakda. Tapos alam mo yun, dahil bobong bata siya, hindi siya marunong mahulog. Yung didn't put a hand out. Alam mo yun,
yeah.
talagang...
So, face first.
Yes!
Oh my God!
Talaga. As in talagang...
May dugo.
Wala yata, pero...
Umiyak siya.
Oo, umiyak agad. Right away. Umiyak agad siya. And I was very happy.
Yeah.
May time na para sa akin yung happiness ko nun was compared to siguro nag-Netflix special ako. Ganong klaseng level. Like, mas mahaba yung effect ng Netflix special thing ko. Pero yung pure glee and joy, yung kung ano man yung fucking na-inject na chemical sa utak ko ng time na dapa yung batang yun.
And just like your Netflix special, may pinaiyak ka na solid.
Pero yun, totoo. So, meron ba kayong ganun na moments? Tapos puro kids pala eh. Tapos puro...
So here, I'll get, it's a bit serious. So listen to this. So it's about cheating. I was talking to this dude
Wow. What
Hindi.
a leap. Okay.
No.
Okay.
The topic is hurt. Let's do this. We want to talk about it. Let's talk about it. So I was talking to this dude. I'm not gonna name his
Tayo
name.
mong weird preamble. Want to talk about it? Let's talk about it.
Hindi kasi kayo na-shock kayo.
Wala tayo. Ikaw nag-suggest ng
So let's go.
topic eh.
Hindi, I didn't say. Everyone agreed.
Okay. Oh, sige.
So let's
Okay.
talk about cheating. So he cheated on his girl 4 years ago, and what I said to him at the time na nag-cheat ka, did it feel good? Did it feel awesome? He said, no, it didn't. Ba't mo ginawa? You liked doing it at the time. Yan lang yung argument ko. I'm not defending what he did. I'm not saying it hurt after. Pero at the time, did it feel good? Ayaw niya sabihin oo. So, parang doon ko lang ako,
So parang pinapaamin mo sa kanya na huwag ka mag-fucking pakabayani ngayon na.
parang feeling bad about your sins doesn't absolve you from them. Parang.
Tama.
So, yun lang yung point ko. Did it feel good at the time?
Uh-huh.
And ayaw niya talaga umamin. Tapos naburat lang ako.
Naburat ka dun sa guy na cheating on that girl.
Oh, like
Look at this performative.
like fucking, I feel so
Performative male anecdote to eh. Yung
Like,
mga
how I
ganito
felt-
sa cheaters, pare.
Tapos
Ganun ba?
putang ina. Shut up. I wasn't even defending him. Like, parang, at the time, it must have felt awesome, sabi ko.
Ano nangyari sa kanya ngayon?
Ay, baka makainuman ko pa nga mamaya eh. Kasi it's in this bar like, regular.
Oh, sa kilala ko na to. Wala na. Kilala ko to. Ikaw, Marge.
Siguro yung bata ako. Like, I have a lot of cousins.
Okay.
So, like, may isang beses na may malit akong bingo na game. As in, yung
Yeah.
Tapos, parang kinuha ko yung isang little ball. Tapos sabi ko, I bet na hindi to kakasya sa ilong mo.
And then ginawa
Tapos
niya.
ginawa niya, tapos na-hospital siya.
The
Tas
power.
I didn't feel regret.
Guilty?
Oo, I didn't feel guilty.
Kupal ba
Parang-
siya?
Hindi.
Akala ko pa naman parang so he didn't deserve it.
He didn't deserve it. Kasi he's a good guy. He's a good guy. Ayun. Tapos pero wala lang. Parang in the back of my head, parang, it's so funny. Like,
Pero kung nagpabuyo ka nga naman, na ano lang yun eh. Kumbaga parang version lang yun ng survival of the fittest. Eh. Alam mo yun? Kung nasa wilderness tayo tapos pinasok mo yung bingo.
Oh, it's thinning out the herd.
Thinning out the herd, pare. Para mas lumakas yung society natin. Di ba? Parang ganun. Well, yun yung justification ko for that.
okay.
Is he okay? Like, is he...
He's okay. He is a professional bowler now. So, as in,
So, mo ilagay sa ilong
Was
niya.
he into bowling before that?
ah,
Okay. Akala ko parang may
Dahil
napindot,
sa
may napindot sa utak niya na parang, bowling.
I like balls
Masarap
now.
Masarap ilagay yung daliri ko sa holes.
Oo nga, no?
Oo nga, no?
Oo nga, no? Baka may ganun siya.
Oo.
You know what? Baka gusto niyang ilagay sa ilong niya yun.
Actually, oo. Nag-ASEAN siya para sa Pilipinas.
Oh, wow.
So, dahil yun sa akin.
Yeah. You could claim
Yeah.
yung career mo.
Yep.
Career niya.
Ay, Asian siya?
ASEAN.
ASEAN. Tangina, hindi ko alam kung... Alam mo, minsan may mga tao maniniwala hindi mo siya alam. Kasi ano ka talaga, bobo fronting ka talaga.
That's why it works eh.
Oo nga eh.
Hindi mo alam kung character to o totoo eh.
Totoo ba? Tanga ba talaga siya?
Oo.
Nga alam eh. Diba? Oh. So, yeah, yun.
So,
Yun ang ating hurt. I don't wanna say people I've hurt. Parang hirap. Na-guilty. Na-guilty ka ba? May mga times ba na minsan, ito yung pinaka-ano ko rin. So ako, in work, kapag, like, hindi ako bihira ako nakikisama ako, pero pag talagang masama na, mababa yung tolerance for like pakikisama kapag masama na talaga. So I really call people out. And be straightforward with feedback, ganong klase. So kaya nga, parang iniisip ko, if it's that way, inisip ko, work gets done easier kasi hindi tayo nagpaparinigan. It's
Yeah.
straightforward, di ba? Parang ganun klase. Pero after, minsan nag-guilty pa rin ako eh. Alam mo yun? Like tipong, shit. Alam kong tama ako pero I shouldn't have like, called it out this way. Di ba? Feeling ko, dapat hindi ako mag-guilty. Kasi
Dapat
tama
hindi.
ako.
Yeah. Bakit ka naman magigilty if you're...
Human nature lang. May mga tao talagang, I guess, mga dissenting tao tulad ko. Pare. Ano mo yun?
Nag-roast battle ka ba?
I don't want to do that.
Why not?
Kasi,
It's beneath you.
hindi gago. Totoo nga ako manood ng roast eh.
Shut up.
Hindi ko siya kaya. Ewan ko ba parang, feeling ko, yung comedy ko, hindi ko kayang gumawa ng material to... Actually, wait, kaya ko. Feeling ko kaya ko. Feeling ko matalo kay lahat. Feeling ko eh. Pero baka kasi magkapikunan eh. Alam mo
Ay, definitely meron. Pero like,
may nagkakapikunan ba?
some talaga na parang alam mo hindi na nanggagaling sa love or like fucking sa place of laughter.
Ayoko mabot doon. Yun nga eh. Yun nga yung
There
point.
was one na napanood ko na, yeesh.
Dito? Or ano?
This was before your time pa. This was the first Roast Battle League.
Okay.
Nung hindi pa si Gold yung may hawak.
Okay.
So like talagang sinasabi lang niya na pokpok yung nanay mo. At mahirap kayo.
That's funny. Nakakatawa yun though.
Pero you know, there's
So
a
how
certain
did it feel
clever...
when you were told those things?
Huh? Nino?
Never mind.
Why?
Yung it flew over your
Yeah,
head.
never
Oh,
mind.
grabe to. Walang kwento.
ng parents ko.
Hindi. It's okay.
Then
It's
explain
okay.
it na.
Grabe, you have zero chemistry. Kayong
yeah,
dalawa. Wala kayong kwenta magbante. It's terrible.
Yeah.
I tried to do a joke
Okay.
where ikaw kasi
Yung
yung
sinabihan ng nanay mo.
yung nanay
Jesus
mo.
Christ, man.
Okay.
Oo, grabe.
Maybe it just wasn't funny. Okay.
I thought it was clever.
Okay.
Oo,
Thank you, Ray.
nakakatawa siya.
Okay.
So, depende na lang kung kanino kayo pares naman tayong may opinion about it. Pero
Yeah.
isa lang sa atin yung may Netflix. So,
Okay.
ang sarap i-ganon na ng Netflix sa lahat ng tao, no?
Nag-number
As
one
if-
ba yung Netflix?
Hindi.
Wala nag-number one eh.
Sino nag-number? Ikaw yung nag-number one?
Hindi, may
Ikaw
kilala
yung-
ko.
o sumasabit ka lang sa nag-number one na. Anong pinag-usapan natin? Yung roast.
Ayaw mo mag-roast.
Ewan ko, baka one is, alam ko, pag may sinabi ako, maybe at the back of the head mo, man, maybe he really feels that way. Parang ganun. At the same time, ayoko rin naman umabot sa point na, so kung mag-roast ka tapos kailangan mo rin i-hold back yung sarili mo. Ayaw mo rin yun. Tapos at the same time, baka hindi ko rin kaya maging ganun ka directly mean against someone that I really care or I don't have no qualms about. Like, kunwari kung if it's someone na, kunwari, si Harry Roque yung karoast ko, okay lang. Pero kunwari like,
kaibigan.
kalaban mo ngayon ay si Emil Buenaventura. So parang wala naman akong galit dito sa taon to. Di ba? Alam mo yun? So baka wala. Very emotional comic ako eh. Like, binibigay ko lahat eh. Ano mo yun? Parang ganun.
Di bigay mo lahat sa next roast battle. Guys, ina-announce si Red.
Kung ikaw kalaban ko, feeling ko kaya. Kasi
Shit.
alam kong merong kaya mo siyang i-take eh.
Exhibition match. Kayong dalawa.
Ay, losing streak ko.
Hindi,
Thanks,
pero how
0-4.
about taking roasts?
That's fine.
Okay.
Ako, paborito ko minsan. Pag creative yung bashing sa comments, nakatawa ako. Pag corny yung mga mataba, di ka nakakatawa, yung...
Mamatay ka na sana.
Mamatay ka na sana. Oo, oink-oink, mga ganong klase.
Diabetes, putang ina mo. Putang ina mo, Red.
Okay.
Putang ina mo.
Yan. Mga ganyan.
Okay.
No? Sino yun?
Siya,
galing sa ano yan Comments
heart.
ba yun or galing sa puso mo?
Sa puso ko pa.
Pero like, di ba naalala ko may screenshot ako tapos sinend ko sa'yo na sinabing, grabe, yung ilong mo parang upuan ng bisikleta. Tapos ako talaga.
Sobrang accurate.
As in, mamatay ako kakatawan. Tagal. So ako parang, sana ganun lahat ng bashing. Kung lahat ng bashing ganun, I think it would be, kasi parang, na-exercise niya, na-spurn yung creativity niya to compose something na hindi lang talaga pure hatred, di ba? Para may creative
That's
twist
why
pa eh.
roasts really don't work if you really hate the person. Like yung sinabi mo Harry Roque, that wouldn't work kasi you really hate his guts eh. Like the best roasts I've ever had were with comedians who I truly respected.
Gets.
Yeah. The
Maybe
ugliest-
hindi ko lang sobrang gets yung roast.
Yeah,
Like,
yung classic na sinasabi ni Jeff Ross, who's a roast comedian with a 16-year-old girlfriend. So, sinabi niya, you
Totoo
own...
ba?
Yeah, super yummy girlfriend.
Like right now?
Yes, right now.
Shit.
Oh, man.
So, you only roast the ones you love, which is true naman. That's why you can get away with that shit kasi you know they can take it. And you know you can give it then.
So it's not really hurting.
Yeah, that's
It's a
right.
good type of
Yeah,
parang,
dude,
kumbaga parang ginamit ka lang subject for comedy. Parang
Yes,
ganun.
takin na,
I get it now.
Roast battle wouldn't work if everything was serious.
Kasi nakikita ko yung mga roast battle may pinag-away na mag-ex-jowa eh. Nakita ko dun sa isang roast battle. So ako parang, damn, that's not gonna,
alam mo yung narood ako ng face-to-face?
yung na-enjoy kayo face-to-face.
Yung car crash fucking...
Malala, ano nangyari dun? Masaya
Gold
ba?
would have been proud, pare. I'll say. He wouldn't have been proud kasi 2 years in a row na babaeng nanalo. Pero yeah.
Talaga ba? Sino
Not
nanalo
in a
before?
row.
Margie,
Ano,
no?
si Russell
si
yung
Russell
nanalo.
pala. Then-
so babae nga yung nanalo.
Before was... So it was Jeline, Russell, and
And then
Marge.
Marge.
Damn. Grabe. Yun. That's our episode, guys. Yes. Oo. Ano pa? Kasi tangin ng topic.
Have you, like here, since yung hate, have you hated someone so much na gusto mo siya mamatay?
Dami.
Okay.
Oo.
Kasi I hate people who say that. No, I would never wish ill will upon
No,
anyone.
no.
Okay.
I think
Now we're going somewhere.
Oh, yan na.
Let's go.
Sige, sinimulan mo na ako. I think it's such an art to imagine kung paano sila magkakaroon ng comeuppance. Yun yung mga nagpapatagal sa kanya shower. Alam mo yun, yung mga tipong wrinkly na yung katawan mo, pero ang ganda ng pantasya mo na. Diba?
Sobrang wrinkly na
Wrinkly na yung mga daliri mo. Tapos pero, ang ina, sarap i-hate itong guy na to na sana. Hindi naman, not necessarily just die. I think die is
too good. Parang ganun.
oh, and then sometimes parang ano na siya, hacky na siya. May mga magandang comeuppance na solid eh. Meron ka bang ganun? Wala kang, hindi ka ba hateful person?
I am, but hindi, it's...
Si Marge, alam ko, she's very quiet pag sa green room and everything.
Yeah.
Pero I
generally.
feel like they're like inner workings of like a hater there. Hindi ba?
May GC kami ni Andren, JP, and RG.
Tell this.
Inout lang yung GC eh. By the way, sobrang, pag pumasa kayo into a comedy scene, the GCs that you belong into, malaking bagay yan. So, ano nyo? So, okay. So, tell me about this GC.
And I don't know, I think Andren can speak for me na masama akong tao dun.
Oh yeah, dude, like never akong nakamit ng tao na sobrang mean. Like may silang siyang video about this guy discussing the beanie issue. And the first thing she said, nang parang mayroon siyang yung eyebrows niya mukhang caterpillars. Like that's the first thing you thought about.
Visual muna.
Yeah, visual
Before
muna.
anything else, di ba?
Like
Oo.
I just want one day for people to find out that Marge isn't a nice person. Like I think it's almost there na.
I think sometimes we are in comedy. You stay in the comedy scene minsan because sobrang sarap lang mang-backstab ng tao.
Dude, sobrang
with
sarap
people
mang-trash
that
talk.
like appreciate the backstabbing with you. Parang ganun.
Sabi nga ni Marge dun sa isang GC, mas magaling ako sa'yo sa comedy. So that's yes, you absolutely said that. What? You said,
Screenshot?
Yeah. I will.
Sige, okay.
Okay lang naman. It's an opinion
Okay.
of
A correct
someone.
opinion.
A correct opinion.
Yes.
Kaya ko yung sinabi.
You absolutely
Diba?
Parang, hindi matandaan.
Oo.
Parang ano, baka naman Mandela effect sa nakalagay doon. Andren, sobrang banu mo.
Hindi.
Nakalagay doon sa... Ha? Totoo nga. Totoo lang. Okay lang, Merch. I mean,
I don't remember saying this.
it's
Oh,
okay.
sobrang convenient ng memory loss mo. bigla akong may hard-hitting questions. Oh, may amnesia
Pero
pala
I
ako
think
rin.
there's a lot of people who share that opinion. Maraming mga tao nagpe-prefer sa'yo than me.
Hindi, we're
Marami.
different comedians talaga.
Oo naman, no. Pero marami naman. I think yun din kasi yung...
I'm half joking, by the way, so it's fine.
Yung tawag doon, I think yun din yung pitfall din ng mga tao minsan na sasabihin nila, mas nakakatawa naman si ganyan kaysa ganyan. Pero kasi subjective siya. Alam mo yun? So,
Like, hindi sa pagiging hater. Like, ang hindi ko gets na comedian si John Mulaney.
ako din.
Like, what?
Ang dami nagalit sa ano sinabi ko yun. Hindi ko
Bakit?
get si John Mulaney.
Is that his real voice?
Oo nga, totoo ba? Ganun ba talaga
Yeah.
boss niya?
I guess.
Da,
I don't know.
Oh,
Ganun din
like-
salita eh.
Like si Mark Norman, ganun din magsalita. Pero mas prefer ko si Mark Norman.
Mas magaling si Mark Norman.
Mas magaling siya by far.
Oo naman.
Hindi ko gets yung ang haba ng setup. Are you a fan of John Mulaney ba?
Okay lang.
Okay.
Like not fan.
Who are you fan of?
Louis C.K.
Louis C.K. Oh. Hirap aminin, no?
Oo.
Ah, man. I bought tickets to his show next year.
Same.
Yun. So, I think maraming pupunta dun. We all gonna get blazed, pare, because
you-
weed is legal in Bangkok, pare.
Oh, we'll probably be there at the same time.
Okay, great.
Yeah. Actually,
Okay.
maraming bumili sa ano.
Marami nga daw, I heard. I bought tickets with James. So, we're going.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Magka-couples thing kami dun. So, pag wala ang girlfriend, bawal. So, sorry, Andren. Pupunta ka ba?
No, I'm not that big. Like, I'm a fan of Louis C.K. but
Talaga?
I'm afraid of flying.
He might die soon.
Why?
Yun na. Ewan ko, he's old. Isn't he old? Isn't like 70 or something?
Like 60
60
plus.
siguro.
Yeah.
He doesn't look healthy.
Yeah, he doesn't.
he might
He
die
doesn't.
soon.
He really doesn't look healthy.
I'm so happy na marami yung kasama ngayon. Dati, Bill Burr went to Hong Kong. And ako lang yung lumipad for him.
Ah, talaga.
Man, your arms must have been tired.
Sorry. Tumawa rin ako, nahiya ako. Nahiya din ako dun sa...
Okay, so you were in Hong Kong watching Bill Burr go.
Ayun, yun
Ikaw
lang.
lang.
Yeah, I was there. Tapos some Hong Kong comics nandun. So masaya naman. Pero yung mga Pinoy, parang wala akong makonvince na kasama ko. And it was such an intimate show. Like, hindi siya theater. It was just like a restaurant na tinanggal yung mga table.
Tangina wild!
Dude,
Wow.
and he was just there.
Wow.
And then he hung out for a little bit after with us. Yeah.
Nice.
Tapos sobrang nanginig lang yung tuhod ko. The whole time nakausap niya ako.
Yan, isa rin magaling mang-hate yun si Bill Burr.
Oh yeah, yun. Yung mga ganong klaseng hatred, I think has to be commended. And also, sana mas magets ng mga tao yung that kind of ranting. Kasi pag nag-post ka ng ganong klaseng joke, nababash ka eh. Oh, ba't gagalit sa ano? Nagkasabi ng mabuhay. Parang, it's a stupid rant. It's not a, alam mo yun?
Speaking of hateful rants, I remember this speech. So, Ninoy Aquino. So,
Where is this going?
no, Ninoy Aquino. This is like the guy
Go
from the
on.
500 peso bill.
Oh, we know.
He had the speech because he was running against...
This might be released on Ninoy Aquino Day,
Yeah,
by
yeah,
the
no,
way.
it's a positive. Like, he was ranting about his opponent, Marcos. And he made this speech. It's very funny. It was of its time, sabi niya. Did you know that the Japanese people...
nag-joke siya eh.
Yeah. You know, the Japanese people, they confuse their L's with their R's. So when the Japanese friend of mine came to me, he said, did you know you have a first lady that robs you? And you even have a president who robs you even more. Tas palakpakan yung mga tao.
Kasi love.
Yeah, love, rob. And nagpapalakpakan lang sila dun sa racist joke na yun. Different times, no? Different
I think
times.
that would have killed still.
Now?
Kung Ninoy Aquino ka.
Kung ginawa ni Lenny yun.
Oh, dude.
Kung ginawa ni Lenny yun.
Dude, sa GC namin, si Lenny, sobrang hater nun, pare.
Are you sure you should be saying this?
Ayoko na tuloy.
Hindi siya fan ng K-pop.
Hindi, I think hindi siya, tinrayin namin siyang ni Bam invite. Parang, nung nag-usap kami ni Lenny for some event, sandun si Bam, and then Bam said, yo, I bought tickets to Red Show. So, manood ka rin, parang ganun. And then, yeah, may show ko, ganyan. It's at this theater, blah, 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 blah. Tapos parang, si Bam sinabi niya bigla, kaya lang may bastos ha. Tapos bila sila, ayoko na. Kumano bigla. So, parang ganun sa parang, okay. Hindi ko alam kung joke niya lang ako or whatever, pero man, that would have been awesome to do.
Sana yung mga openers mo nun, ako.
Oh,
Sila putang inang Ryan Rems.
Ryan Rems, mga ganun.
Si Muman, papakita ng puwet kay Lenny.
That would be the greatest show.
Feeling ko pag nandun si Lenny, iibayin ko yung lineup. So, kailangan ko si Muman. Diba? That would have been great. Pero, yeah, wala. Hindi pa naman. Hindi ko alam kung ayaw niya sa bastos na joke or parang nag-joke lang siya na ayaw niya. Parang ganun. Hindi ko gets eh. So,
Or baka gusto niya, pero ayaw niyang ma-associate.
I don't know.
Maybe, I don't know.
Hindi ko alam. Pero parang too late na-associate na ako sa kanya nung introduce ko siya sa Naga eh. So, wala na. Pero madaling naman ako i-shake off, I guess.
So ito yung hot take segment natin. May bago akong segment, Red. The hot take segment. So it's about hate naman tong episode na to. What's the thing that people love that you hate, pare?
Oh, dami.
So,
Are you a hater ba, Mark?
Yeah, definitely.
absolutely.
Like a hater of like generally love things or para medyo may parang nag-full circle na ang dami na nagagalit sa mga generally love things and now you kind of like defend them and now you hate the people who hate them.
More of the first?
Or you don't overthink it that
Oo,
much.
More of, I just don't like it. I don't like a lot of things, the things a lot of people like, I think.
I'm
Edgy ako
super contrarian first. So minsan, kapag may mga tao na nagagalit sa mga generally hated things, generally love things, I find a way na kontrahin sila kahit nag-agree ako sa kanila. In a way. So yeah. Yun ang art of hating.
One thing I hate that some people, yung mga Studio Ghibli movies, I don't like
all of them.
Dude, fucking Spirited Away is boring
Sobrang
as fuck,
natulog ako
dude.
Spirited Away.
It's about I'll explain it kasi.
Naging baboy parents ka.
It's about capitalism and more.
Totoo ba? Hindi naman about capitalism. Greed lang.
Greed.
Greed.
Fucking you Spirited Away.
Ikaw, Marge, give me a good hate.
Ang ayoko talaga ngayon, I have never heard any of their songs.
Oh.
Pero I hate the band named Cup of Joe.
Oh, yeah.
Kasi pangalan niya Cup of Joe.
Cup of Joe. Yeah.
Sobrang normie na pangalan.
Na coffee. Is it it's coffee, right? Cup of
No.
Joe is coffee.
Ay, it's cup of coffee. Pero it's one of those like parang Americanisms na tinuturo sa call center na parang, hey, are you ready for a cup of Joe? Parang they sound like a session band sa Paddy's Point.
Oh my God!
So,
solid.
as in, every time I see the name, umiinit ulo ko. Parang, there's so many names out there. You
Sana-
chose the lamest name.
They could have been like, oh nga eh. Do they have lots of fans? Are we
Bring
gonna
it.
get in trouble?
Fucking bring it! So,
Pero they have I don't think they have lethal fans. Kasi, di ba,
Yeah, dude.
Cup of Joe.
Kung inasar niyo yung Razorback, I guess, puta, may mga susugurin siya
Mataot
ng
kasi siguro nasa may slap shock, di
dude,
ba?
susugurin ka ng mga titong may gout.
Oo, pare. Ako nung nag-eraser jokes, ang dami ko nakuha DMs na misunderstood. But I get you, na parang, it's such a American term na binigay. Tapos yung pala, alam mo, nakakatawa. Pag naglabas ng origin story video, tapos yung pala yung Cup of Joe, parang, actually, ito yung last thing na sinabi ng lolo ko sa akin. Bago siya namatay.
Sobrang daya.
Kasi may Alzheimer's na kasi siya, so nababaliw
pangalan
na
ng
siya.
tito ko Joe, tapos namatay siya sa Japanese War. Ganun.
Ganun
Pangalan
klase.
pumatay sa kanya, Cup. So,
Hindi na nagme-make sense. I get that though. Totoo, nagigets ko yun. Like parang may mga things na talaga just like irritates you for no reason. Wala lang. And I feel like ganun ako sa ibang tao. May mga taong burt talaga sa akin eh. Like,
wait. Nagugulat ka kung ba't may mga
Oo.
taong nabuburat sa'yo? What the fuck is wrong with
akala ko, nagigets ko yung mga... Hindi.
Hindi mo gets?
Teka lang, hindi. Teka lang. Nagigets ko yung mga iba. Like, DDS sila. Sige, fine. Or maybe inaway ko yung banda nila or nag-joke ako about this thing that they care about. Pero may mga bagay kasi na, may mga tao kasing, ano mo yun, parang galit na galit sila sa akin to a point na nag-i-invento sila ng shit. Like, yung, alam nyo ba, yung mga laughter sa set sa mga videos na rin, ano lang yun, edited lang. Parang ganun. May mga ganong klaseng tao. Saka parang, how do you get to that level of hatred na nag-i-invento ka na ng shit just to hate on that person? Alam mo yun? It's weird. Yun lang naman. Ang akin. Kaya, sana mapagbigyan mo na yung Cup of Joe. Actually,
Okay lang.
yun yung next guest namin dito sa first musical guest
And
namin.
be prepared to be thrown under the bus ng Sol.
Oo,
Ano
sabihin
kung
na.
lesbian na to? Na mukhang lesbian na maasar sa'yo.
Actually, recently, nakita ko na at last yung mukha nila.
Also, you haven't, you're not aware of them
like,
talaga.
I really
It's just the name
see
that
the
really
name that
annoys
pisses
you.
me off. Tapos when I finally saw their faces, I thought like, mukha talaga silang nagsasession sa Paddy's Point. So, it makes sense naman.
To be fair,
Oo.
hindi lahat ng banda natin aesthetic people. Like,
Yeah.
marami tayong, alam
Fucking
mo.
parokin ni Edgar. They're not exactly the handsomest people.
Oo,
Yeah.
hindi nga talaga.
Kamikaze.
Oh. Well, easy lang. You don't need to name examples. We agree. Yun yung sinabi namin from the start eh, di ba? Yeah, so,
Wolfgang Pogi naman si Bob.
meron mga ganun universally loved things na...
I don't like
ayoko.
sushi. Even good sushi.
Wow.
Coming at it strong
Oo
lang
nga
agad. Oh, I don't like sushi.
It's so bad.
Talaga?
What do you mean?
It's raw fish and fry.
Hindi,
By the way,
yung mga hindi,
pwede bang
may mga
iluto
sushi,
yung
may
fish?
mga sushi na hindi raw. Do you like that? Like
Ano
mga
parang
seared
yung-
salmon,
Oo,
mga
yung
ganun.
parched, yung
Oo.
Eel, yeah, I've had like kasi punta ako sa Japan, like a good sushi restaurant, and then they ramen ni Utol. It's not that. Hindi ko gets yung appeal at all.
Did you say ramen ni Utol? Ano?
Hindi, recommended ni Utol. Kasama ko si
Ah.
Utol. It's not good. I don't know why it's such a fucking,
Did you try yung raw lang or yung may kanin?
yung raw lang.
I think magandang entry level yung may kanin.
Yung may kanin. Na may seaweed.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. I've also had those like yung mga may shrimp, 'di ba? May mga
So you like those?
No. It's bad. I don't know why.
Ako yung sashimi hindi ko masyadong trip all the time.
Yeah.
Like may times na, yeah, sige game. Pero yung mga tipong tao na, tangin na,
So,
pag magbubupi ako, sashimi lang yung kakainin
Tell me
ko.
the appeal of sushi.
Wala, masarap lang siya food.
I think
Fuck, really?
Oh.
it depends on like if you were used to it at an early age.
Talaga?
Okay.
Oo.
I've had it na lang when I was in college.
Ah.
Sa bagay, ako na naman, may generally love food din ako. Like, ayoko ng tinola. I think maraming taong
Ang dami
nagugulat
tao,
yun.
Oo.
Nagugulat. Lalo na kung mataba ka, ina-assume nila na lahat lang ini-inhale mo. Alam mo yun? Like talagang, so parang revelation sa kanila when I say, hindi ako mahilig sa tinola. Like, kahit ano, kahit yung ganito, kahit yung may ganyan. So parang,
Ayoko ng bulalo.
Talaga?
Oh.
Wow. Pero,
It's hot water beef.
it is. That's what it is. Yes, it is. Tatama naman.
It's hot water chicken, yung tinola.
Yeah.
Hindi, pero may ginger yung akin. Yung bulalo, wala. It's just beef
it's
na
really
Pinoy
just
na matagal.
hot water
Oh.
beef. Like,
Yeah, gets. Like, I get why hindi. Kasi yung, the meat kasi kung hindi talaga siya, like yung may gatil pa.
Anong gatil?
Ano yung gatil?
Making up words para
Pangasinan.
whatever. Hindi pa. Paki-double check mga Pangasinan kung totoong word ng gatil. Okay.
Parang it's the fat ng beef.
Okay.
Yung cartilage.
Ba't di mo na sabihin yung taba?
Hindi kasi minsan bumabalik ako sa...
Nagko-code switch ka. Man.
Oo. Kasi
Gatil talaga?
Gatil.
Hindi ba litid ang gatil?
Parang yun. Parang gano'n.
Hindi parehas ang litid tsaka taba.
Hindi ba?
Hindi.
Okay, yes.
Protein yung dito.
Yes, protein. Yes, fucking nurse. Yeah, gets.
Cartilage ang litid.
Yes.
Yeah. Dumbass.
So kung wala yung litid, hindi siya masarap. Or kung meron yung litid, doon siya
ako
yucky.
gusto ko yung litid.
Ako okay.
Gusto ko na litid eh.
Yeah. Minsan may times na pwede kang umorder ng extra litid na pares. Yung pares na puro litid lang.
Tangina.
Yeah, meron. Oo. Yun yung ginagawa ko sa Goto Tendon.
Oh, fuck.
Yung litid only.
Yung mga ganun. Oh my God.
I get kasi kung yung tinola. Like, hindi...
Wait,
di ko
so
siya-
mahilig ka sa pares pero hindi sa
Bulalo.
bulalo?
Kasi malasa yung pares. Yung
May
bulalo
cream.
is nothing. It's so bland.
Pero beef-based din yung sa bagay. Gets ko naman. I get it. I see where it's... Meron ka ba bang ibang shocking takes?
Shocking taste.
Like, bulalo is pretty well-loved thing. Like, I would say mas maraming bulalo people than tinola people.
Hindi ako kumakain ng
Tinola
corned beef na walang ketchup.
Wow.
Hey, whether it's a struggle you can't seem to get through or a dream that seems too daunting for you, this is Mirza Season telling you that you can do this. Let's figure it out or find someone who can. I'm a confidence coach and host, an ex-editor, ex-model, ex-20-something, ex-30-something, exactly who you need to help you navigate through life's ins and outs. What are you waiting for? Let's go! You can do this.
Grabe. I didn't know she was a freak. Hindi ko alam naman
So,
na...
baka sabihin mo rin, hindi ka naniniwala sa Holocaust.
Oo nga. Ano next, pare?
Ano yung Holocaust?
Totoo nga. So, kiniketchupan mo yung corned beef?
Oo. Tapos akala ko it was normal. And then,
And then lumabas ka sa bubble mo.
parang one time, nag-overnight ako sa friend
Yeah.
ko or something. Tapos parang may corned beef for breakfast. Tapos saan po yung ketchup?
Tapos lahat sila parang, what the fuck?
Lahat.
Yeah, I
Ayun.
get it. May mga tao nagka-ketchup ng corned beef. Usually mga psychopaths. Pero talaga, who taught you
Hitler.
that?
Sa bahay ko, although, then again, sa bahay namin, we also put hot chocolate on our rice.
That gets ko yun.
Ayun,
Gets
gets
ko yun.
Okay,
Oo.
Gets ko yun.
Thank God. Okay.
May mga taong ganun. Like, meron akong tita that still does that until now. Like, parang, she would have like the fanciest dinner and then sa dulo, she would put like coffee on rice or hot chocolate on rice kasi just because parang it doesn't feel complete daw na to do it. Not to do it.
Pero
Parang ganun.
hindi namin kinakain as dessert, ha? As
Yeah,
as
as ulam talaga.
As ulam talaga.
Yeah. I get it kasi I guess champurrado is the same
Yeah.
way. Then, masarap yung coffee and rice. Nag-gets ko yun. I'm not gonna look for it. Hindi ko yung tipong, ano kaya kakainin ko? Hotdog o kape? Siguro kape. Parang never siya mananalo sa tong
One
ulam.
weird thing na masarap daw na never ko na-gets, it's putting M&M's in popcorn. Or like raisins.
parang trail
gusto
mix.
ko
Yeah.
yun.
You do that?
Sweet and salty.
Sweet and salty.
Fuck.
Talaga? Sobrang weird yun sa'yo, Andren.
Gusto ko kasi separate lahat ng bagay eh.
So it's not a sweet and salty thing, but more of like a...
I don't want a mix of flavor. Like, ayoko nga yung trail mix eh. Ayoko yung fucking, ayoko yung embutidong may pasas. I don't like parang
you
sweet.
don't like sweet and salty.
Yeah,
na?
mixed.
So ayaw mo ng pineapples on pizza.
One exception yun.
Okay.
Ayun na yun, may entry point ka na.
Oo.
Ibig sabihin, hindi mo na pwedeng sabihin ayaw mo ng sweet and salty.
Tangina, ito nga, no? So, I guess, walang kwenta lahat ng sinabi.
Sinabi mo. Give it a shot, pare.
Ewan ko. Fuck.
Nagigets ko yung mga taong natikman na nila, tapos ayaw nila. Pero ayoko yung mga taong, ayoko yan, parang hindi titikman. Tikman mo muna once at least, di ba? Or hindi ba?
Like dick.
Oo nga naman. Oo nga naman. Hindi pa na nga naman ako nakakatikim ng titi, no? So malay mo.
Yeah, dude, it might be delicious, pare.
I might consider that, pare. Tama ka.
Okay. Ako yung one genre of music that I never got.
Reggae.
Yeah, I hate reggae.
Oh, I get that.
It's all chuk 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 chuk.
It's the same
Victor got in
baseline.
trouble because of that joke na
Talaga?
lahat ng reggae magkakatunog.
What?
Tangina! Yung kasi medyo kupal din kasi yung pagka... Alam mo naman si Victor pag nag-acto talagang
Like nakaka-degrade.
Pag sinabi niya, check. Ganun yung itsura pa niya. So parang...
I'm the Rasta ba Ilocos empanada. Sabi.
Tapos yung joke niya was like, hindi mo daw naiintindihan except daw yung mga parang keywords or something. So parang...
Love, peace, being one, which is very true.
Oh, yun naman talaga yung ano. Yeah, I never got reggae. Mas nagigets ko pa ang metal or screamo.
Screamo.
Or, yeah, minsan, or crabcore, yung mga ganang klaseng. Attack. Oh, man. You
So
should.
it's basically like metal with like
With crabs?
heavy synth.
I wish it was that. They just look like crabs kasi
Yeah,
parang...
it's the way that they hold the guitar.
The way they hold the guitar, may parang stance sila na nakaluhod yung isang
Okay.
Yes.
thing. So it's called dinub sila as crabcore.
Crabcore.
And it kind of stuck. Parang dinub sila as crabcore.
It was a style of music back. The style, yung aesthetic. It's more the aesthetic. Like yung mga naka-Chuck Taylor, skinny jeans, tapos fucking checkered na polo.
Ayun, so check out Attack.
Yes.
Gusto nyo yun. Stickly.
Sticky icky.
Sticky Icky ba yun? Hindi ba
sticky.
Stickly or something?
Ano ko?
Anyways.
I have a question.
No.
Like, ano yung bagay na you think people hate about you?
Oh, man, that's so hard. Do you have one?
I feel like people think na mataray ako and stuff.
Hindi ka ba mataray?
Not, I don't know.
No,
Not-
I'll be no.
No,
Not
diba?
at all.
Yeah. I'm pretty normal.
You're
pero-
aware that you have a taray face?
Yes.
Okay.
So parang people always bring that up na, sa umpisa natatakot ako sa'yo, but
Yeah.
blah, blah, blah. And I think that's one thing that people parang, yun nga, parang may hate yung mga tao sa akin kasi when they initially meet me.
Gets. Kasi nga naman meron din mga tao like si Chi, yung girlfriend ni Victor, sinabi niya na natatakot daw siya sa akin before. Hindi ko lang kung bakit.
Kasi you're big. I think that's one
Yun
thing.
din, oh,
Like
baka
may
malaki.
mga tao dati na open micers na takot sa akin dati. Pero nung nakita na nila akong like binubuli ng mga ibang comedians, medyo nawala na rin naman na. Kasi I'm big Malaki ako. It's as easy as that rin
I think for me, alam ko may mga nabuburot sa akin when I post. Like
Yes,
pag
absolutely.
nag-post ako ng preachy shit or
Yes,
inspiring shit.
100%.
For
Like,
sure.
Um,
I'm very aware of
no
that.
one has achieved their goal in irritating people in such 100% fashion than you do.
Talaga? Ang sarap
Yeah.
Ang sarap to be just like...
If I weren't your friend, I would be so...
Ang sarap. Ang sarap to just relish in... Like, if something nice happened to me, kunwari sold out show, ganyan, and then after sabihin ko, pare, follow your dreams, pare. Do you like that? Diba? I'm pretty sure may nabuburat sa akin pag And alam mo, pasok sa utak ko yun as I was posting. Pero inisip ko, anong pakialam ko sa inyo? You fucking losers, pare. you don't follow your dreams, pare. Why would I, di ba? Why would I adjust to you?
Ay, may sinabi si Red na nakakatawa dati, yung ang classic nakasakay siya sa motor, tapos walang t-shirt. Tapos naka-basketball
Yung mga
jersey.
haters ko.
Oh, yung profile pic nila.
Yung profile pic nila, nakasakay sa motor tapos walang t-shirt. Usually. It's those types of people.
Ginagawa pa lang bahay nila. Yan yung mga the best. They put on
Nakasabit yung t-shirt sa balikat. Mga ganun. Tapos ang weird ng post. Mga ganun. Yun yung mga totoong profile that have the balls to, use their own profiles.
Have you ever had haters, Margie?
Oo nga,
Oh
Marge.
naman. Yeah, when I used to work sa Rappler, like,
Oh my
Oh
God.
yeah, you did. You're a real journalist nga pala.
Oh,
no,
nga.
I'm not.
Di ba? Talaga? What did you do in Rappler before?
A lot of I used to be social media and then naging opinion editor ako and then naging lifestyle and entertainment editor.
Okay, mas masaya yung lifestyle entertainment.
Not really.
Talaga?
Okay, I quit.
Oh shit. Okay. So how was the hating there?
Initially kasi before what do you call this? In early days, palagi akong nagpa-publish ng palagi akong nag-send ng opinion pieces to Rappler. Tapos napapublish siya and it's usually contrarian. So, maraming nagalit sa akin.
Yeah.
So, this was the time na hindi pa ganun kauso, for example, yung not wanting kids.
Okay.
So, may essay ako about like, I'm never having kids and here's why. Tapos, ang
Dami nagalit.
daming nagalit.
Dami nagalit,
Like
yeah.
number 1 story siya sa Rappler and stuff
That
like
was
that.
you. Tapos,
And then the next time, parang I had opinion about, I think, Pope Francis.
because Pope Francis said something about na parang if
Something
you choose to have cats over kids, something like that.
Something about like, we should be spending, kasi parang diba yung pumunta siya sa Pilipinas, sobrang big deal.
Yeah.
Tapos parang sabi ko, we shouldn't be spending our taxes on
Tama.
big,
Yeah.
on like, giving him like the fanciest.
Exactly, oh.
So,
Ang
ang
yaman
dami
na
na
nila eh.
nagalit sa akin.
Yeah, okay.
Ayun,
Overnight
so,
sa Jeds. Putang ina, bakit?
ayun. So initially, ganun yung klaseng hate.
Pretty sure makakuha tayo ng ex-deal para kay Pope Francis, pare.
fair.
Diba?
Ayun. Nagalit din ako sa General Luna.
General Luna.
Like General Luna?
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
basta read the essay. Yun na lang. Ayun. Tapos,
Why did you like...
Yeah.
Can you talk about that?
We
Why
did-
did you... Kasi ako rin, meron din akong...
I have some.
meron din akong...
it's very pompous and self-satisfied.
na parang, ang Pilipinas is tayo-tayo nag-aaway-aaway, blah, blah, blah type of shit. Yeah.
Tapos parang may hero worship din na
Yeah.
something.
Nakala mo napaka-perfect niya.
Oo.
Yeah.
And then when I watched the movie, even the movie feels very self-satisfied. Like yung pinaka-ayokong scene, oh my God, I'm gonna get
It
hated
insists
for
upon
this.
itself.
But the scene I hated the most was yung may drag silang dead bodies or something tapos mukhang spoliarium.
Yeah.
Tapos I was like, fuck this. As
It really did insist upon
It
itself.
was so corny. Alam mo yun?
Alam mo maangas din do is kung nag-zoom out sila tapos andun si Juan Lunas gumanon siya. Tapos nag-sketch siyang gumagano siya. Hold it!
Parang yung...
I wish.
Parang mababatrip ko ba kunwari like yung sa mga films na gano'n yung kunwari yung Gumborza, di ba? Tapos may nabangga siya. Sensya na, anong pangalan mo? Jose Rizal. Mababatrip ko ba sa mga scenes na gano'n?
I guess maganda
Pepe po.
yung General Luna. I think it was a rare na okay, it's pretty good, well made, ganda ng
It's
production,
well-made. It's
well
well-made.
acted, ganda na movie. Pero I feel like ang gripe ko sa kanya, hindi bagay yung treatment dun sa topic
Okay.
or sa thing because they treated it as like Avengers or an MCU movie. Na may
yung
post-credit
action.
scene tapos, lumabas si,
Yes.
si fucking Gregorio Del
Del
Pilar.
Pilar,
Yung sunod, di ba? Parang ganun.
Kulang na lang yung kabaong ni... Tapos biglang lumabas yung
Yung
hand
kamay,
niya.
parang ganun eh. Parang ganun yung
General
treatment
Luna
niya.
will be
Gets.
back.
Pero this is real, supposedly real
History.
things. History things. So ako parang as a person na is very much interested in what happened nung Spanish occupation or na hindi man ako historian pero gusto ko malaman to. Parang nawirdohan lang ako sa treatment na pare may post-credit scene. Yung General Luna, pare stick around Tapos paglabas, reveal!
They
Si
also did
Goyo, bro.
Sa Goya, ginawa rin nila yung exact same thing. Si Manuel L. Quezon.
Manuel Quezon naman.
Oh,
And they're
yeah.
coming out with the Quezon movie
Yes.
now, di
Sila,
ba?
ano kayong spoiler? Fuck, sino to? Si Nino Aquino.
Si Nina Aquino yung sunod. Papunta na tayo sa modern era, pare.
Yung meron silang modern era, parang yung hero universe.
Parang
Bayani universe.
Yun nga eh. Ganon yung tawag. Parang bayani verse yung tawag.
Seryoso?
Totoo.
I hate this.
Oh no.
So I'm like parang,
Kailan kaya
I'm
yung
all
Marcos
for
movie?
Meron yan for sure.
Bayani siya?
Daryl Yap kagawa.
Yung ending daw, nakatakas siya naka-jetpack eh. Tapos,
sabi, balang araw, yung anak ko, boboto nyo rin. Ganun yung ending.
here I am, rock you like a hurricane.
I would watch that.
That's so dude, that fucking awesome, dude.
I did a post about yung Made in Malacanang. Na sabi ko, guys, na-leak yung ending ng Made in Malacanang na bumaba si Jesus Christ. Tapos inaway niya lahat ng mga dilaw. Tapos sinabi niya, mali kayo lahat, blah, blah, blah. Kami, ang tama talaga sila Imelda. Tama ang martial law. Parang ganun yung very blatant
Sobrang in your
satire lang.
face, eh.
Pero alam mo, natuwa ako. And I'm like, alam mo, controversial name si Daryl Yap. Pero I gave props to him. Shinare niya yung post ko na yun.
Oh.
And he was like, tama, ito yung ending. So parang naki-joke siya.
Gets.
In a way, parang okay.
Don't you hate that when they fucking really know how to play the game?
I mean, I gotta give respect a little
Oo
bit.
nga.
Diba? I mean, he
Give
played
the
it
devil
well.
his due.
Oo naman. He played it well. So baka gusto mo i-cast din.
As who? Who would you play in Philippine history?
Ako yung Ninoy Aquino pero manyak ako. That's how di ba they cast a comedian, Giselle Sanchez yung kinuha nilang Cory Aquino.
Yeah.
Parang ganun, di ba? So inisip ko ako si Ninoy tapos manyak lang ako. Meron lang, parang may harem lang ako of like young women all the
That
time.
would be such a fucking fun.
He's sobrang exaggerated na malabo na. Parang ganun.
Kumakain ka ng puwet sa puta nila. Malacan yung pass. Sino yan?
Tapos ako yung nagpapangalan dun sa mga anak. Bam! Ganun. Parang ganun yung mga, may mga foreshadowing ng mga pangalan.
Tapos si Ellen Adarna, si putang ilang Chris Aquino. Like, sobrang fucking...
Ganun. Yeah, joke lang Hindi ako. I will not act for that. I can't unless mahal yung TF. So I would do it totally for money. Actually, nag-dream nga ako to do something like that. And then pag ginagawa ko na impress, so someone titiraan ko lang yung pelikula. Diba? Actually, yung pangit ang pelikula yung panoorin, please. Timuwag lang ako dahil sa pera. Kasi wala mo sila magagawa sa akin after that, diba? I'm not beholden to your fucking good press, diba? So, yun. Yeah. I want to, tawag dun, I want to hate on so many things. Talaga. And I think I've done it well enough na entertaining siya, naging career siya. And I think merong para sa akin, mas hindi totoo ang taong hindi nag-hate.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Kasi kung nakita mo
It's
yung
not
mga minamanufacture ng mga mainstream media ng mga artista na lahat sila all love and peace. And
Yeah.
then, thank you po sa lahat ng dumalo dito. Salamat po sa lahat ng mga pumunta dito sa meet and greet na to. Sa lahat po ito, thank you. Na-miss ko po kayo lahat. Iisa-isahin ko po kayo. Parang, alam mo yun, ganun sila lahat ng artista. And I'm like, di ka ba naburat nung hinatak yung leg mo kanina sa kinakahalikan ng isang tao? Alam mo yun, di ba? Parang...
Yeah. Bring back mataray artists, pare.
Totoo.
Like, sino ba yung mga matataray na artists? Christopher De Leon.
Di ba dati parang nagkaroon ng issue si Lea Salonga ba or something?
Yeah.
May
I'm like, you know what? Good for her.
Yeah, good
Dapat
for her.
protect yourself, man. Yeah, good job, Lea.
Pumasok yung person sa dressing room niya.
Pagkatapos
diba?
na naging Marcos supporter din ako eh. Damn, Lea. So influential. Favorite ko yung Mulan, by the way. Pero yun yung point, di ba? Pumasok yung tao sa dressing room niya and people were like, taray naman ni Lea. Tangina mo, ito yung private area ko eh. Alam mo yun, di ba?
Malay mo yung kung ano-ano pinagagawa. Paano kung nakita niya yung cocaine? Paano kung nakita niya yung cocaine? Doon sa putang yung dressing. Di, ako na yung kontrabida. Paano nakita niya yung heroin?
Paano andun lahat ng mga performance-enhancing drugs ni Lea, pare? Pati yung sa mga beanie, like a lot of people give beanie flack because ayaw nilang kumain ng street food. Baka hindi masarap yung street. Baka malamig na eh. Alam mo yun?
Sa Sunshine.
Oh,
yung
kay Maris Takal?
Oo, so may isang beanie na parang ang review niya ng Sunshine, parang we should support mental health something. Tapos which is fine.
Yeah.
Tapos marami nagalit sa kanya kasi parang hindi mo na-get yung point ng movie. It's about abortion. Ganon. So parang awang-awa ako dun sa beanie na yun. Kasi
parang
can't you have an opinion?
yung mga nag-spike ng fucking popularity na dati sinasabi ko to, walang nakikinig, okay lang. Ngayon na parang, oh shit, kinikilatis na yung every word ko, man.
That
Sobrang
seems
hirap
like
ng
hell.
Dude. Oh.
That's why, pare.
For sure, umiiyak yan, tapos pinangpupunas niya yung mga cash na nakukuha niya sa mga... sa mga, kawawa naman ako. Yun lang yung refuge ko. Naawa ko sa kanila and then I realized they're really rich and popular and they probably all have the money that they need and want. So, okay na rin. Fair exchange, I guess. Pero yeah, may mga tao talagang... I'm sorry, pero meron mga weird takes yung ibang tao na talagang... Nalala ko parang... Ito si Liza Soberano, no-offend siya rin sa isang... Sorry.
Yung tililing? Di ako as a mental... Like, natawa lang ako sa poster eh. Kasi duling sila eh.
Kasi naman!
Duling sila eh.
Kasi naman! Tama naman si Liza
Nakaganon sila.
So si Liza was like, nakaka-offend tong movie na to. Mental health is ganyan. Huwag yun naman siya igawing caricature lang na tililing or whatever. So on the flip side, hindi niya pinanood yung movie. So it's actually, I think yung tililing was actually parang pro-mental health awareness din yung movie. Ganun. Hindi ko pinanood. So parang sinabi ni Baron Geister, actually, panoorin nyo, Liza, mas maliliwanagan kayo what it's about. Pero kasi naman, yung putang inang poster, mga ulon nakalimutan, tapos nakaduling sila lahat, tapos nakalagay tililing. So sino ba namang hindi mapaisip na...
It's fucking called tililing. Hindi siya creative.
Hindi siya creative at all.
Like the mind of blah blah blah. Tiniling.
Hindi siya parang inside the dark mind of a
Natawa
ganyan-ganyan.
ko kasi duling sila eh. Bakit sila duling?
Lahat sila may funky crazy face. Parang mga ganun. Tapos ako parang, malamang, tangina. Ay, nako. Pero mali nga naman si Liza. Kasi hindi pa niya napapanood. Pero, kung napanood ni Liza yun, tapos sinabi niya yun, tapos sinabi niya, nakagawa siya ng solid argument, nakampihan ko siya eh. Tama nga naman po, tangina.
How much? Yeah, you're right.
Meron akong ginanon na movie na I generally don't shit on the movies, lalo na local movies, publicly because they need all the help they
Yes,
can
made
get.
in Malacanang. The Rape of Pepsi Paloma. Let's go.
Meron isang movie about Emilio Aguinaldo
Okay.
called si George Estregan yung bida.
Okay.
Wow, okay.
Interesting.
And I know some history, pero may isang scene doon na tinatry nilang i-paint na si Andres Bonifacio yung kupal and they did it so blatantly na nagsusunog siya ng mga kubo ng mga tao. Because hindi siya nagbigay ng... Hindi siya nagbigay... Ayaw niyo kami supportan! Susunugin namin yung mga kubo niya! Tapos nagsusunog siya doon. Tapos ako parang, wait a minute! Wait lang!
Meron na po siya tinaling babae sa train tracks habang gumagano'n. Like,
Pag sinita niya, buti nagpakita ka, Emilio. Papatayin ko na itong babaeng to. Parang ganon. Tapos ako parang, wait a minute. This shouldn't be historically accurate.
sumisipa siya ng mga bata.
Like, gets ko naman kung...
Kumakain siya ng aso sa movie na yun. Like, lahat, kumakain siya ng puppy sandwich.
Kumuha siya ng mga puppies, tapos pumipili siya. Ito, gusto ko lang, mukhang malambot to. Parang ganun, si Andres
May
Bonifacio.
aso nung nakalagay sa roll cake.
Aww.
He's a bad person.
Sobrang blatantly, masama si Andres. Muli kayo lahat. Parang ganun. So,
It's the same thing yung sa Suicide Squad, yung damaged, nakalagay dito sa Joker ni Jared Leto. Parang ganun ka.
Pero sobrang blatant,
Oo.
di ba? Like parang in your face, iibahin namin yung history type of shit. So nag-post ako about it na parang, it's bullshit, it sucks, ganyan-ganyan klase. Ang tagal na nito, as in like personal FB page ko pa pinost. Tapos parang meron yata sa mga common friend na nasa prod nun, worked on the prod. Hindi ko sure kung anong role niya or whatever. Tapos parang tinry niya ako out nice na parang, we'll take your feedback po in general, tawag doon, we'll take in your feedback and we'll try to work on it. Parang, how can you work on it? It's done, pare. You can't
Moving
be like,
forward.
Gusto ko i-reflect. Bakit may putang inang part 2? Sino pong i-villainize nyo after that? Sobrang weird di ba? Sobrang pangit talaga. Like, may mga times talaga minsan na parang may pinanood ka tapos parang, tangina. Like, ang taas ng tolerance ko for like,
That's
bad
why-
shit, lalo na akong local.
That's
Pero-
why, I guess why yung sinasabi ng March, which I kind of agree with yung General Luna. Like, kahit yung content isn't that good, pero yung the style of it, like, kasi, ang high budget niya, like, yung Goyo, I watched Goyo.
It's like visually impressive.
Yes,
So parang
that's why.
mapapahanga ka
Yes,
talaga eh.
like, it's substance over
But in the end, they didn't kill anyone.
style over substance.
Alam mo ba yun? Doon ako na-frustrate dun sa Goyo.
Sa Tirad Pass? Well, technically, isa lang naman daw ng Amerikano na namatay.
Isang Amerikano lang pala yung napatay nila. And like, why are we even...
Showing it.
Oo nga, bakit natin worship tong batang general na to? He was clearly not ready for it.
Yeah, that's why sinasabi ko yung production. Like, I wasn't expecting.
At pagkatapos nun, ginawa nilang K-12 ang education system. Kasi masyado silang bata
So,
para maging general.
I wasn't expecting sa Goyo. I was watching. I was okay. Who cares? I wasn't expecting yung ganun ka-graphic yung death niya. Like, fucking lumabas yung bala sa putang ng bibig niya. Like, wow.
What?
Eh,
Mas
so why
graphic
did you
yung
watch
death
Goyo?
ni General Luna. Mas graphic yung kay General Luna.
Hindi grabe yung kay Goyo. Dude. As in, tanggal yung part ng face niya. Dude.
Hindi ko alam.
Grabe.
Pero yeah.
Yeah.
Pero shoutout kay Brian Wilson who played one of the American soldiers. So,
Who's Brian
shoutout.
Wilson?
Some white guy I know.
Okay.
Pero he used to be kasama siya yung token white guy sa Tanods. And we used to do stunt work.
Okay,
shit
okay,
together.
okay.
Akala ko Beach Boys na Brian Wilson. I was like, what?
Shout out to Brian Wilson. I love you, bro. Siya yung isa sa mga soldiers sa Goyo na American. Pero he's from England yata.
So, one more thing that I hate na hindi ko gets kung ba't gusto ng mga tao, ube.
talaga?
I don't like ube. I don't know why they spread
Like,
fucking-
anong klaseng ube? Like yung ube na halaya?
Yeah, yung halaya.
Or yung nasa lanera na nakabalot sa foil pag inuwi
Hindi.
mo?
Yung sa Good Shepherd.
Ayaw mo
I don't
yun!
like it. It's... Why?
Why?
I don't know. It's nothing special. Like, why are people going crazy over this fucking
Sometimes when the food is
root
not
crop.
special, that's what makes it great. It's for everyone, pare.
Fuck you, dude. I hate you so much.
When something is common, it
Then
means
why do you like ube?
it's
Yung
good.
mga-
It tastes
yummy.
good. Yeah, it's yummy.
Be more specific. Oh, yummy ang burger steak. Bakit? Tangina mga ito eh. Like,
I don't
I'm
think you
not
need
a-
any other reason naman eh. To ano.
I'm not
bakit
a
yung
food
texture niya?
chemist.
Oo nga
Like,
eh.
saan mo hinahalo yung ube?
Sa halo-halo.
I eat it straight out of the jar.
Oh, straight out the
Also,
jar.
Isa has something to say.
Oo nga. Kahit ube-flavored things.
Lalo na yung ube. I hate ube-flavored ice
Oh,
cream,
man.
pare.
What? Kahit yung ice cream? Yun yung best version of ube for
Fuck
me.
you.
I would say.
It's the worst ice cream. Yung
I don't
ube
think
ice
you've had good ube ice cream.
cream. Yung Selecta
Yeah,
ube?
kahit Selecta ube is pretty good. Yeah.
Bad.
Selecta ube.
I'd rather select something else. pare.
Ano bang kinakain mo sa castle mo in
Oo
Pangasinan?
nga, grabe. Sa Bernardo Mall.
Ewan ko kung bakit ako ginagawang fucking... Ayaw mo nga ng onions eh. The greatest...
What? Ayaw mo ng onions?
Ayaw ng onions.
Oh my God. So
See?
how do you live?
It's
It's
all...
in everything.
Okay.
I'm fine with the flavor it imparts, but I don't like eating the actual...
Gets lang yun.
So, for example, kung bistek, tatanggalin ko lang siya, pero okay lang sa akin yung lasa.
I was gonna say... Oh
Yes.
nga. Kahit onion rings? What?
Ayoko, I don't know, ayoko yung texture
Oh,
and
dude.
juiciness
Minsan pag
niya.
nagigisa ako ng sardinas, mas marami pa yung onion sa isda.
Yeah.
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 As
Kaya
in, like, I do like 2 onions.
Di ba
Ganun.
mahilig kayo sa Boomdogs?
Yeah! All that onions on there.
Ang daming onions. So like, ang ino-order ko lang doon yung street style. Kasi yun lang yung walang onion.
Yung may cheese tsaka sauce.
Oo, kasi yun lang, yung
Oh,
walang
wow.
onion.
Well, yun yung maganda sa Boomdog kasi there's a dog for everyone.
Yeah. Like, gusto ko gumawa ng commercials ng Boomdogs. Like, it's just me coming home at 3 a.m. Tapos sobrang lasing ko. Puta, kailangan kong kumain pero hindi ko magalaw yung kamay ko. Wala na akong dexterity para mag-scoop ng
Tapos may
rice.
Boomdog sa darating.
Kakainin ko sa floor na nakubad. The end.
Hindi, may scene
Hindi
na,
na tayo papadala ng Boomdog.
may scene na yung Grab driver, parang very scared siyang maglagay ng ano. Parang,
Yung tipong binato na lang over the back yung pagkakin siya. Ano klase?
Boomdogs. Hindi mo na kailangan ng...
Grabe yung onions though.
Yeah, what? Like, it's so good. Eh. Yung flavor niya.
Yuck.
So good.
I like onion.
So
alam mo
sinabi mo yung bulalo overrating onions?
Oh, that's
Yeah.
tinawag ko na psychopath for not liking ube.
Pero gusto ko
Psychopath
yung,
yun.
yung chips na lasang onions. Yung parang Funyuns.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like
that's-
those.
that's not
I like
bad.
those.
That's accurately the taste of onions. Hindi mo gusto.
No.
But it doesn't have the
Talaga ba?
texture nga.
How about sour cream and onion?
I like
Na
that.
fla- oh,
I like that.
yun na yun.
Pero wala namang onions dun. And then, and green onions naman yun eh. Hindi naman siya.
So you don't like salsa?
I don't like salsa.
Oh my fucking
Talaga?
I mean, I'm okay with it, but I will take the onions out.
How do you do that?
How do you do it?
Sobrang durog na yun.
It's blended into the fucking thing.
I take my time.
It's pureed.
Ha?
Oo nga,
I mean,
she does take her time, yeah.
If it's pureed, di syempre hindi, I can't tell.
It's one of my earliest observations sa kanya wag nasa green room siya. There's just food there and she doesn't eat it. Kasi sobrang tagal. And I'm like,
was just-
is this for everyone? Or para, ano
was
ba to?
just
Can we
one
eat this?
time.
Ganun ba? Kasi
Oo.
kabado ka. Okay, so
Kabado
hindi pala
ako.
totoo. Sorry, I didn't want, nag-stick na sa'yo yung truth na yun.
Nag-order ako, tapos parang open mic competition yun. So parang nakaupo lang ako doon, so parang fuck, hindi ako makakain. Ayun.
Yeah, okay. Kasi everybody was like, can you have food?
I was so...
Okay,
me and
Marge,
Red were
parang-
so high. Nung fucking...
Siyempre. Tsaka paano mo bang gagawin mo doon,
Oh,
di ba?
God, dude, we're just fucking-
We're so high on life.
Yeah.
pare. High on life. We're not doing anything.
Yeah, high on
Pero grabe onions That's still with me hanggang ngayon. Man, I love onions.
I love onions.
Meron ka ba? Meron ka ba general psychopath things? Kasi ako, I think, yung repulsion ko to ginger is, I think,
It's
justified.
normal.
Oh, normal.
Like every time kung sa arroz caldo, nakakagat
Oh,
ako.
nakakaburat yun.
Oo, nakakatakot na.
Akala mo masarap na manok? Buong ginger.
Just bog ginger.
Oh!
Akala mo wala nang manok sa Roscaldo mo.
Oh.
Tapos bilang, uy, meron pa pala
Ooh.
isang piece. Tapos,
How about grape-flavored things? I don't like grape-flavored things.
oh, wow. Parang mga juice. Ganun.
Oo,
Like a
yeah.
Welch.
Ugh.
Talaga?
What?
Oh, wow. Oh, man.
Actually,
Medyo nag-indulge ako in like an occasional Welch.
nag-feel ako na parang bata talaga. May sinabi yung tatay ni Red kasi we went there to this house. Oh, enjoy ko mo naman yung tang nung bata ako. Tapos, hindi, pang bata pala yung tang?
Oo. What do you mean?
Hindi siya pang, like,
It's full of sugar.
pero I mean,
It's a kid's drink.
Oo.
it's not like,
Tingin mo like, at some point in time, si Ninoy Aquino, bago siya mabaril, uminom siya ng tang.
yeah, like you don't drink tang. You guys don't drink tang.
Anymore?
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Really?
Sometimes, like, like, namimiss ko siya minsan, pero hindi yung tipong,
Oh,
tang
hindi naman
time.
everyday, pero I like tang.
I guess okay lang naman.
Oh, I wouldn't be
Meron ng
against
tang
it.
with stevia ngayon.
Let's go, pare.
Oh, sobrang, it's a shadow.
I
of
don't
its-
like stevia.
talaga?
Well, we don't like
Well,
it
we
either,
don't like
Mark.
it either, pero
may diabetes
wala kaming
kami.
choice.
I'm sorry.
It's our life.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Pero ganun, pero we have to like it. Parang Coke Zero, yung niloloko mo yung sarili mo. Na, sarap ito, lasang Coke talaga. Tapos bilang makatikim ka ng regular Coke. Nangyari sa akin yan recently. Kaya si Chi, saka si Victor, pag pumunta nila sa bahay ko, sometimes they bring drinks. Parang last time they brought drinks to the house. Tapos, dahil kami ni Vic, we do the Coke Zero. Si Chi doesn't like the stevia. So, she brings her Coke na original taste. Tapos siyempre nung umalis siya, hindi niya naubos, nandun lang sa ref. Tapos one night, parang, wala akong mainom Tapos nakita ko, oh shit, may naiwan na Coke dito. So I pour myself a glass. Oh my God, sobrang sarap. Grabe. Sobrang, tapos tumatay yung balibo ko ngayon. Thinking about it.
Ako rin, like,
God
kasi
damn.
I've been really good
Real Coke is
with the
really
sugar
good.
recently. Tapos nung pagka-uwi ko, last week lang, nag-iwan ng yung, girlfriend ng roommate ko ng brownies sa ref. Tapos nakita ko lang doon like,
Kinain mo.
alam mo, kaya
Kinain mo lang?
Kumain
Gano'ng kadami?
ako dalawa rin.
Gago.
Tapos nahilo ako.
Oh, malamang.
Ah, seryoso?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no.
Minsan, ang bobo nito minsan may mga...
You could have stopped there.
May mga ginagawa siya na parang sobrang weird. Tapos may message niya ako ng FBS niya, which is a fasting blood sugar. So,
Okay.
Ang baba kaya.
it's what you take. So, kung diabetic ka, every morning you take your blood and then you check your blood sugar. Ganyan.
Which is hell in
Tapos siya,
itself.
proud na proud siya. Sobrang baba ng blood sugar niya. So like parang, and then it's our, kaya tayo may sakit because yun yung nangyayari. So like, hindi, mababa. So okay pa ako. Hindi, masyado siya mababa. May, parang 46. Parang ganun
Yeah,
yung,
46 yung blood.
doon yun yung levels ng blood sugar na yun. It's like, pwede ka nang, may mag-constrict yung blood vessels mo and
Oh,
just
shit.
die.
Okay.
Parang ganun. So,
I went hard, nag-omad ako nun eh.
yun. Huwag ka mag-omad. Tapos,
Oh, man.
dapat nag-ano ka. Kumain ka ba nun kagad after?
Oh, dude, as in solid.
Oh, yun. So, buti na lang. Kasi kung hindi, mag-intense hypo ka nun. You might die,
I
pare.
hate having diabetes.
Oh, man. That's the worst, pare.
So do you do the injections?
Oh, no.
Hindi pa kami sa level na yun.
Yes.
Grabe ka naman, Marge.
Grabe
Grabe ka naman. Hindi pa naman kami mukha ba kaming elite diabetics na. Ganun.
Imagine ko kasi si Anjan, if he had to inject, like, ano tawag doon?
Insulin.
Insulin. Like, he'd use the heroin.
Pero di ba sa chan yun, yung insulin?
Yeah, Chan.
Oh, sa tiyan niya yun.
So, hindi mo pwedeng gawin yung mga sobrang heroin junkies sa toast, yung in between the toast tinitira.
Oh, really?
Ganun oh.
Sakit. Na-injection ko na ba sa paa?
Hindi pa.
Sakit.
Bakit nangyari sa'yo?
Ha? So, may fluid, nagmanas yung fluid sa paa ko. Kasi sobrang natapilok ako sa skateboarding. Kasi I'm cool.
Yun yung
Yeah.
hindi mo na rin gawin sana.
Hindi ko na
nang
ginagawa.
matanda ka na.
Yeah, hurt. Speaking of hurt, I stopped na noong 2018. Like,
Hindi kaya, nung pandemic kaya may mga skating videos ka pa sa pinapost. So, parang, what is this for?
getting healthy, Red, and I look cool doing it. I think one of the reasons I stopped na yun, kasi nadapa ako. Pinost ko to sa, pumasok yung pebble straight
Oo,
up.
nakita ko yun. Solid one.
Tas, as in,
Pumasok yung pebble dito?
yes. Tas,
Yeah.
nung tinanggal ko, syempre, open wound. As in, yung
Sobrang
buong face ko.
nag-cushion.
That's where that photo comes from. Okay,
Coated
okay.
in blood, pare. And my parts are like, ito, ganito ako kay Inzel. I look pretty cool right now.
Actually,
diba? Like,
It does look
fuck,
pretty
I
cool.
look pretty
With like
cool.
blood all over you. Yeah. man.
It's a wrestling thing.
I think wrestling capitalizes on people really liking the blood.
Yeah.
So it's not a wrestling thing.
I think you should have blood on your face all the time. Like, nasa grocery ka lang.
Kasi may mga tao lalapit sa'yo na tipo, kailangan niyo pong tulong, sir. Ay, hindi. Ito na talaga yung look ko.
Yes.
I'm going for Abdullah
Like ito,
the Butcher.
as corny, like people hate this movie.
I'm going for Terry Funk. Ano?
People hate this movie, pero I like it kasi it's edgy and it's cool. Joker. Napanood mo yung Joker?
Yeah, I hate.
You hated it? Yeah, it's fine.
I
get
hate-
why... I get it. Parang ibang hate to. I get why people hate it. Pero I like it.
Hindi, I like the movie, pero I hate naging effect niya sa mga tao.
Mga incel? Of course.
Minsan may mga fina-follow ka sa Facebook or Instagram and then the Joker movie comes out and they quote the hell out of it.
And I cringe at that.
Oo.
Pero yung scene, may scene kasi doon, Red, sa pinakadulo. So, napanood mo yung Joker?
Yeah.
Natamaan siya yung police car, tapos kinicarry yung body out niya like Christ. Tapos yun, groggy na siya, tapos may dugo sa bibig ko. Tapos ginanon niya, tapos informed us, like, this is so fucking cool, pare. I mean,
Okay lang ako dun.
Makas dun, no? That was pretty fucking
The
cool.
movie was okay.
Yeah.
What's a generally loved movie that you hate?
Fuck.
Let's end with that.
Sure.
Generally loved movie.
I hated Jojo Rabbit.
Alam kong you hated Jojo Rabbit.
Fucking boring.
Naggagasp lang si Isa kanina. Kanina pa siya naggagasp dito.
Ooh, it's about Holocaust. Yung nakita niyo yung shoes.
Yung shoes na nanay niya.
Ooh, gumana. So fucking up its own ass, para. Like, I hated it. Like, hindi naman...
I used to love yung Thor Ragnarok.
Yeah.
Tapos si Kate, my girlfriend, ranted about it and made very solid points. Tapos ako parang now I can't unsee it.
Okay,
Not
what?
even, fuck. Parang, bakit weighty si Thor bigla? Parang mga simple
That's
shit
actually
lang
very
na ganun.
funny.
Di ba dapat badass god siya? Parang ganyan-ganyan. So parang, it's actually...
But naging comedy. Yeah, gets ko yun. Like, kung panoorin mo yung unang Iron Man, tapos i-compare mo siya ngayon na Iron Man. Like, sobrang konti nung fucking snarky dialogue eh.
Huh?
Nung unang Iron... Nung una!
Noon na meron na.
Pero hindi kasing grabe ngayon.
Yun yung
Yeah.
naging basis nila eh. Parang
Oo.
ginawa nilang Iron Man lahat eh. Dapat comedy siya and then
Oo.
serious sa dulo. Parang ganun. Ginawa nilang Modern Family lahat ng shit nila.
Tangin ng modern family. Isa rin yung hot take ko. Dude, that girl who plays yung adopted son, yung adopted daughter ng gay couple, she can't act for shit, pare.
Kasi nagsimula siya
The
baby
older
pa siya.
version. The older version.
Hindi, it's the same.
Yeah, I know.
I think
Yeah.
As a
She's-
toddler
yeah.
and the ano.
Okay pa siya nung toddler kasi yung range of emotions mo naman kung toddler, di ba?
I think they just stuck with her na eh. Ang weird naman kung i-replace siya bigla ni like Dakota Fanning.
Oh, tapos black siya bigla.
Bigla na lang may sobrang tenured actress bigla na nandun, di ba? Well, she's Dakota Fanning now. Wala na yung magagawa, di ba?
Like, so watching the Harry Potter movies, watching them grow up, like, god damn, my Adam's apple na si fucking...
Yun yung sa akin eh. I don't like Harry Potter.
Oh,
the
is it
movies,
because of
kahit the books?
Is it because of
Kahit
J.K.
the
Rowling?
books.
Kahit the books?
Oh, it's not even about J.K. Rowling.
It's not
Oh.
even about.
Okay.
She doesn't even like the
Actually,
books.
nung nalaman daw niya na trans-hater si J.K. Rowling, mas gusto na niya.
Oh, I changed my mind.
I changed my mind.
No.
I bought all the sets. Bakit? Why do you don't like?
Nakukorny ako sa mga bata. Plus, I don't like Hermione.
Hey! Grabe.
Like, and I don't
Childhood
like.
crush
I
namin
don't
lahat yun.
like. I don't like Hermione. I don't like Emma Watson.
Oh, okay. Right in the
I
in the
think
Emma
she's
Watsons.
an over-actor. I think she can't act for shit.
Oh, shit. Grabe. Pero ito yun. Parang outside
Harry
that,
Potter.
wala na siyang ginawa. Like,
Perks of being a
hindi
wallflower.
ko siya nagustuhan dun sa Bling Ring or sa
Sa Beauty and the Beast, she was
Beauty and
so
the Beast. Oh my God, that was the worst. I thought nung ginawa nila yung Beauty and the Beast na remake, and when they probably saw it, at nakita nila, oh, this is a bad thing that we're doing. We're gonna stop. Hindi, sila tumigil
They
eh.
kept
They're like,
doing
let's
it.
shit on everything. Alam mo yun, parang ganun. Sabi nila Little Mermaid, maganda daw.
Well, to be
Hindi
fair
na
to
ako-
Margie's point,
Hindi ba? Hindi.
Not really.
saan na siya ngayon? Saan na si...
Wala na.
Yeah.
Nag-aral siya sa Brown University. Something like that. She's Hermione in real life kasi. She went to like a
I
Ivy
hate
League
this.
school.
I hate that I know. Yeah.
You hate that you love what?
Alam kong corny yung
So, ano ka ba? Like, are you enthusiastic about the next...
Anything?
The next...
Yeah, you know what would be a shorter list? The things Margie likes.
oh, what
man.
do you like, Margie?
I like a lot of things.
Oh, naman.
Oasis.
Oasis.
Do you like It's...
I like a lot of things. I love
Doesn't
horror
everyone love
movies.
Oasis? din naman?
Hindi. Ako, they're okay. Like, high on diesel,
That's
gasoline.
not Oasis.
Bati na ba ang Oasis?
Oo.
Ah, talaga?
They have a reunion now.
Lahat talaga nagbabati sa dulo. Abangan mo talaga magkakashow talaga kami nila Alex ulit. Sabi ko rin. For sure eh. For
Comedy
sure,
Manila Comedy Crew collab.
Oo,
mga
pare,
ganun.
for sure yan. Nakashake hands kami. Alam mo yun, nagbabatian lang.
Hindi always,
Imposible.
hi on
That's
diesel gasoline.
That's
Hindi ba bare naked ladies?
No, Suede. We talked about this already.
Okay.
Okay.
It's been 2 days. Yun.
That's bare naked
Okay.
ladies. Okay.
It's been 1 week since you looked at me. Yun
It's
yung
been 1 week.
Yat's been.
It's been. Di ba ganun yung start nun?
Yat's been.
Yes, then.
Dati tinanong ko sa kanya, ano yung kanta yung kay Alans? Yung barabum, barabing, barabum, barabing, barabum. Alam mo yung kanta yan? Barabum, barabing, barabum, barabing.
Ano yun? Did you eventually figure out kung ano yung kantang yun?
You ought to know.
You ought to know. Okay.
Ganun lang.
Okay. Gets.
Barabing,
Barabing, barabing.
Ginawa mo parang soprano.
Kasi, like yung,
Barabing, baraboom.
akala ko nga yung Eiffel 69 song, yung I'm blue.
I'm blue.
Akala ko I'm blue and I'm in need of a guy. I thought it was a gay positive song. Yung, I'm blue and I'm in need of a guy.
Tama
And I'm
naman.
in need of a guy.
That makes
I love
more
that.
sense. What is
Yeah.
it?
It's abadi. It's nothing. It doesn't mean anything. Abadi, abadi.
Mas okay yun.
Oo nga.
Mas okay yung ginawa mo. I think you made it. I think dapat i-share to ng mga tao until makarating sa kanila.
I think you should do a cover. Record a cover.
Yeah. Oo.
Hindi pa ako ganun ka-talented kumanta eh.
Parati kami
Sino?
content eh. Okay. Man, we've gone way over
my
time.
God.
Yes. Nga,
Aba pa tayo sa
mag-jetpack.
Huwag kang alala, par. Wala ng traffic. Tapos mag-drive tayo doon. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Mar, do you have anything to promote? Do you have a podcast, di ba?
Yes, I have a podcast with some dorks called...
Lahat na kayo nag-guest dito. Si River,
talaga?
ikaw,
That's nice.
Steven.
Okay,
At
cool.
yun lang yung importante. Mag-guest dapat si Josel. Pero may nangyari eh.
Ano nangyari? Vinito mo?
Hindi,
Nga pala.
Yeah, may nangyari.
Yeah. Shit happened.
Yeah,
The
shit
shittiest thing happened.
the shittiest
in
thing
comedy.
ever happened. So, di
So,
siya nakapunta.
Itong podcast na to is called...
Galingan mo na.
Oh, you're part of that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why?
Why?
What?
How did this assemble,
I wasn't
Marge?
part of it originally.
And then they realized,
And then they...
gotta break up the sausage show.
I think like they needed like an older, smarter person. To
Emphasis
bring
on
them
old.
in. Yes, emphasis on older. Ayun. I'm easily 10 years older than all of them.
Talaga?
Yeah. And except for Giselle.
How old are you?
Magpo-40.
Oh, shit! Okay, that's why you're so wise. Hindi ka,
Oh, shit! I didn't mean it like that.
di ba may clip si Kevin Hart?
Damn!
Nalaman niya yung age and don't chill. Damn! Gumanon siya
No,
bigla.
I didn't mean it like that. I mean like the wisdom.
Pero yeah, grabe.
Ayun.
I didn't know. So 39 ka na? Damn.
Tas next month na birthday ko.
You're so
Ayun.
close to death.
I know.
You're like a GB.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yung taon mo si GB?
Like 50? 40? No,
Yeah, mga-
GB's 10 years older than me. 46. Yeah, so yeah.
He's only 6 years older than you.
Nalala ko nung una ko na-meet si GB, I was 19. And
Oh,
he was
wow.
29.
Damn.
And I thought he was so old.
But he always looked the same. He always
Hindi,
looked
mas
the same.
mahaba, mas marami lang siyang buhok.
Yeah, you see the white in his hairs na.
Pero yeah, I always thought he was old.
I'm also in the PWD show on September 27.
Oh, okay. Well, that's great.
Which could have been Kafansanan, pero we...
I voted for Kafansanan
he
for the
did
record.
vote for Kafansanan.
Wala, mahina pala kayo. Sinong hindi nag-vote sa Kafansanan?
Siya lang nag-vote for Kafansanan.
Dapat yun yung ginawa nyo.
Dun sa poll, like, yung mukha ko lang yung
Ang nakakatawa kasi nakalagay din yung disabilities namin. Alam mo yung nakalagay kay Roger?
Ano?
Malabo mata. Tarantado talaga. PWD show, September 27, comedymanila.com for tickets.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. Go to comedyvideo.ph. We have a show on September 13 kami ni Isa Baus and Victor. Hindi ko sure kung may show pa ako sa September something. I forgot. Pero yeah, go to comedyvideo.ph. Check it out. Andun lahat ng shows namin. Follow Marge and Andren and yung podcast nila, Galingan na naman. Galingan mo naman. Sorry. Sorry, that's my bad. Hindi ko sinasadya. Nagkamali talaga ako. Galingan mo naman podcast.
River and fucking Joseph also.
River, Joseph.
Yung galit sa English. Ay, galit sa Tagalog.
Galit sa Tagalog.
Fuck
Sa Tagalog, oo.
And
Si
Steven.
Joseph, ang tingin ko sa kanya, when I visualize his comedy, is parati siya nandito.
Yes.
Sa mukha mo.
Yes.
That's how I feel like.
Yes. I have office mates who come up to me and
And
say,
said, sinigawan ako ng batang yun.
Hindi. It's more of like, I saw your friend Joseph sa Reels. Bakit siya sumisigaw? Out of concern.
That's
Alam mo
how
yun?
it feels like. So if you haven't seen, follow nyo rin si Joseph Montilla and you'll know what we
mean.
Yun. So yun. Thank you so much, guys. Andren.
Guys, pwede na tayo matulog.
That's ulitin mo. Pangit na.
Guys, pwede na tayo matulog.
Uy, wow! Natapos niya yung podcast episode.
Blabidi-di, pare.
Okay. Isa ka sa mga taong nagtatapos ng episode. Tapos, gusto ko lang sabihin, hindi naman sa nagagalit kami. Napanood nyo to ng libre.
Yes.
Tama ba?
At hindi tayo kumikita sa podcast, di ba, Red?
Tama, hindi kami kumikita sa podcast. Pero kung gusto nyo kaming kumita at bumalik at we keep doing these free episodes, sana manood kayo ng stand-up comedy shows namin. Pumunta kayo sa
comedymanila.ph
comedymanila.ph para makita ang schedule ng shows ng Comedy Manila across the Philippines.
Guys, at hindi ko kayo satisfied sa show, ibabalik ni Red yung pera nyo. 100% money back guarantee.
Hindi yun totoo.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye.
comedymanila.ph
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.